This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious croissants at home without any eggs. We'll start by combining our dry ingredients like 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 25 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of salt. Then, we'll mix in 5 grams of instant yeast, 100 grams of cold water, and 50 grams of cold milk. Knead this dough until it's smooth and elastic, then let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Now for the magic, lamination. Take 200 grams of very cold butter and flatten it into a 6-inch square. Encase this butter block completely within your chilled dough, ensuring no butter peeks out. Roll the dough into a long rectangle, then fold it into thirds like a letter. This is one turn. Repeat this process 2 more times, chilling the dough for 30 minutes after each fold to keep the butter firm. With your laminated dough ready, it's time to shape those beautiful croissants. Roll the dough into a large rectangle, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut it into triangles, each with a 4-inch base and an 8-inch length. Gently stretch each triangle, then roll it tightly from the wide base towards the point. Place your shaped croissants on a baking sheet, giving them plenty of space, and let them proof at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours until visibly puffy. Finally, the moment of truth, baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking, you can brush your proofed croissants with a simple milk wash for a beautiful golden brown finish without any egg. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are deeply golden and wonderfully puffed. Let them cool slightly on a wire rack, then enjoy your perfectly flaky, homemade, and completely egg-free croissants. They are truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.